Welcome to this exciting video where we unveil the top 5 Python libraries essential for building retrieval-augmented systems. Master the skills needed to enhance development and performance with the right tools.
Did you know that retrieval-augmented systems are revolutionizing the way we process and generate data? Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of retrieval-augmented generation systems, or RAG. These systems blend the best of retrieval and generation technologies to enhance the efficiency and performance of AI applications. By leveraging the right Python libraries, you can significantly accelerate your development process and improve output quality. Stay tuned as we explore the top 5 libraries that can transform your projects.
Retrieval-augmented generation systems combine the power of retrieving data with the ability to generate new content based on that data. These systems are pivotal in industries ranging from healthcare to finance, where rapid data processing and generation are essential. The core idea is to enhance the traditional generation capabilities with relevant and up-to-date information retrieval, making the outputs more accurate and contextually relevant. The benefits are clear: increased accuracy, better performance, and more reliable outputs. However, challenges such as data integration and performance optimization remain. In this segment, we'll explore how these systems operate and their impact on various sectors.
When selecting a Python library for your retrieval-augmented system, several criteria should guide your decision. First, consider performance and scalability. The library should handle large datasets efficiently and grow with your project. Ease of integration is another crucial factor. Look for libraries that seamlessly integrate with existing tools and frameworks. Community support and comprehensive documentation can be invaluable, especially when troubleshooting or seeking best practices. Compatibility with your current stack and cost-effectiveness, including licensing and potential hidden costs, are also important. By prioritizing these criteria, you ensure a smoother and more productive development process. Our first library is a powerhouse in the world of RAG systems. Known for its robust performance and versatility, Library 1 stands out with features such as advanced search algorithms and seamless integration capabilities. Common use cases include large-scale data processing and real-time information retrieval, making it ideal for applications in e-commerce and social media analytics. Integration is straightforward, thanks to its comprehensive API and thorough documentation. Performance benchmarks indicate a significant reduction in latency and increased throughput, allowing for faster data processing. Whether you're building a new system or enhancing an existing one, Library 1 offers a reliable foundation. Library 2 is tailored for specialized applications where precision and speed are crucial. With unique features like customizable retrieval models and real-time data syncing, it's perfect for use in industries such as finance and healthcare. Its intuitive interface and user-friendly setup mean you can get up and running quickly, even with minimal coding experience. The active community around Library 2 provides extensive support and the sharing of innovative use cases, enhancing its appeal. Whether you're dealing with complex data sets or require rapid data processing, Library 2 offers the tools and flexibility needed for success.
Library 3 is renowned for its exceptional data handling capabilities and broad applicability across various domains. Its strength lies in its ability to integrate seamlessly with AI models, enhancing the capabilities of machine learning applications. Whether it's natural language processing or image recognition, Library 3 provides the tools to manage and process data efficiently. The library's cost-effectiveness, with flexible licensing options, makes it accessible for both startups and established enterprises. With a focus on robust data management and AI integration, Library 3 is a versatile choice for developers looking to push the boundaries of what's possible. Library 4 is a top contender for projects requiring advanced retrieval algorithms and high scalability. It's particularly effective in big data environments where performance and speed are non-negotiable. The library's architecture is designed to handle extensive datasets with ease, ensuring that your applications can scale without compromising on efficiency. Furthermore, Library 4 is backed by a strong community and robust support resources, making it easier to implement and troubleshoot. For developers working within cloud-based infrastructures or needing to manage large volumes of data, Library 4 provides an indispensable toolkit.
Library 5 takes a unique approach by prioritizing security and privacy in retrieval-augmented systems. With features like advanced encryption and secure data handling, it's particularly suited for sectors dealing with sensitive information, such as healthcare and finance. These security measures ensure that your data remains protected at every stage of processing. Users have praised Library 5 for its stringent security protocols and ease of integration with existing security frameworks. If your project involves handling confidential data and requires robust security measures, Library 5 offers the peace of mind needed to safeguard your information.
Now that we've explored the top 5 libraries, It's time to compare them and determine which one best suits your project needs. Each library offers unique features and advantages, but selecting the right one depends on your specific requirements. Consider the performance metrics, scalability, and ease of integration for each. Library 1 excels in general versatility, while Library 5 leads in security. For big data applications, Library 4 might be your best bet due to its scalability. Ultimately, the decision should be based on your project's unique demands, ensuring you choose a library that aligns with your goals and technical environment. We've covered a lot of ground today, exploring the top 5 libraries for retrieval-augmented systems in Python. Each library offers distinct advantages, and the right choice depends on your project's specific needs. Don't be afraid to experiment and discover which library best enhances your workflow. We invite you to share your experiences and insights in the comments below. What libraries have you used, and how have they impacted your projects? Stay tuned for more in-depth content as we continue to explore the cutting-edge tools and technologies shaping the future of AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.